Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the fourth problem of Leetcode Weekly Contest 309, which is meeting rooms 3. So what we are given? We are given n rooms, and there are, let's say, m meetings happening, which is happening from start I to end I, and end I exclusive, and all the values of start I is unique. And now three conditions are given to us, like three types of operation, the way three operation, like occupation of the room will happen. The first condition is that each meeting will take place in the unused room with the lowest number. That is the first condition. Second condition is that if there are no available rooms, the meeting will be delayed until a room becomes free, and the delayed meeting should have the same duration as the original meeting. And now the third condition is when a room becomes unused, meetings that have earlier original start time should be given the room. Okay, and we have to return the number of rooms that held the most meetings. If there are multiple rooms, return the room with the lowest number. So what are the same? Let's say there is a room, like there are two rooms. And let's say there are two meetings happening. So one is 0 to 5, another one is 5 to 9. Then we will give the like the first meeting, this is, and this is the second meeting. So the first meeting will be scheduled on the 0th room, and the like when the first meeting gets over, the like start time of the second meeting is greater than equals to the end time of the first meeting, so we can schedule the 0th room, sorry, the second meeting at the 0th room too. So here 0 number room gets 2 meeting, and 1 number room gets 0 meeting, so our answer will be 0, because 0 is like holding the maximum number of meetings. So let's take another case. Let's say if it is 0 5 4 9 and 6 7, then what will happen? So 0 5 will get the first meeting room, 4 9 will get the second meeting room, sorry, first meeting room. This is 0 means 0 is indexing, so this is the first meeting room and this is the second meeting room, and 6 7 will get the 0th meeting room because this is over. So again 0 will get maximum number of meetings, which is 2. So this is the case. Now let's look at the constants. The constants is n is 100 and meetings room is 10 to the power 5. So you may think is that we can iterate on the number of rooms, order of n, and number of meetings or order of n into m. I don't know if it will pass or not. I am not sure because 10 to the power 7 and it code might have multiple test cases. So what I have done is that I have my solution is order of n log n. So I will explain my order of n log n solution here now. So what is happening, like I am using multiple number of sets. The first set will contain the meetings, like I am using two set. First one is s and another one is open. So what does open mean? Let me explain open first. Open means the, like, open contains meeting room which are not holding any meetings. Okay, so first, like at the initial stage, open will contain all the meeting rooms from 1 to n. And now what is s? So s is contain the occupied meeting rooms, so you can say s as occupied also. And s will be containing array of length 2, was the first value will be the, like, finishing time of the event. So let's say finish, and the second value will be the room number, finish value and the room number. Okay, so s will contain s and the finish and the room number. So now let's say we are at index I. So what will happen? So if there are two conditions, let's come to the first condition. First condition is that open is not empty. So open is not empty, so we'll take the first room from open. We'll take the first room from open and give it to I. And another case is that open, let's say open not empty, not empty. This is the first case. And now second case is empty. So if it is empty, then we have to wait till the first event of s becomes completed. As it is a set, the first element of the set will have the lowest finish time, so we have to just pop the first element of s. And the next procedures, what will I do, I will explain in my code. So we will prop the first element of the s and use that room number to give the ith event. Okay, so let's jump to my code now. I will explain each line of my code. So what I am doing, I am sorting the array first, because I don't know if the array is sorted or not. We are sorting based on the start, so we are sorting the array first. Then a is meetings. Here I have renamed it as a. Now there are two sets. One is array of length 2, and another one important thing is that for which case I have given sorry, I have got two wrong answers. Which one we have to use long here, because like the sum of the duration could get to 10 to the power 10 also, so you have to use long here. So I am using s and open, and another one is used to mark the count of like meetings happened in a particular room. So at the start we are just inserting all the rooms in the open. So that's what I have explained here. Now let's come to the code. So I am iterating for all the meetings in increasing order of the start time. That's why I have sorted it. So this is the case, this is the first condition. Let me explain to you. While length of s and the like, let me explain. So s contains finish and room number. So what will happen is that when I am at a particular room I will check, I will check the like the rooms which has like the finish time less than equal to, finish time less than equals to my current meetings starting time, aim start. Okay. So why it is checking, why we are checking this? Because if finish less than equals to aim of start, we can allocate this meeting to this room also. So that's why I am checking if the like the finish time of the first room, like s is sorted based on the finish size, because finish is the first parameter in s. So if the finish time of the first room of s is less than equals to start time of ith meeting, we'll just erase it from the set and we'll insert the room number of this element in the open. Okay. Now if there are two cases, I have already told, if the first case is open is empty and another case is open is not empty, let's say not empty. So if it is not empty, we'll just take the room number open dot begin, or or erase it from open, and we'll insert the finishing time of this meeting and room in s, and we will increment the used of room plus plus. Okay. And next is when the size of the open is 0, that means there are no open rooms, meeting rooms we have. So what will we do? We'll just pop the first element from s. That's what I am doing. I am erasing the first element from s, and duration is the duration of meeting. Let's say the event is from 5 to 10 and we are starting the event from 15. So it will get duration is 5, so the finishing time of this meeting will be 20. That's why I am calculating the duration first, and start will be u0, because the finishing time of the first room will be our starting time of the meeting. So start is u0, finishing time of the meeting room, and room is the u1. So s is containing finishing time and room number, and we are inserting s dot insert start plus duration comma room. So let's say our meeting room, like let's say s contains the first element of s is 15 comma 5. So what will we insert now? And the meeting is 5, let's say 5 comma 10. So we'll insert 20 comma 5, because the meeting will finish at 20, because it will start from 15 and until 20, and the room number is 5. So that's why I am inserting start plus duration comma room and used of room plus plus. And this code is quite trivial. We are just finding maximum index, and at the end we are returning the max index. I hope you got my explanation. If you still have any doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.